our chalet. Here is the living space. Over there is the dining space where Noah's eating a banana.
Is it big enough, this living space?
Yes, it is.
Has it gone?
And here is the kitchen. It's not as tiny as the caravan. In here is the bathroom.
It's alright, it was clean, nice and clean, wasn't it, Kate?
Yeah. In here is Mum and Dad's room.
You can actually walk around it.
Yeah, you can walk around this one.
And here's my room.
2 beds in here.
There's 2 beds in here. And I actually have room to walk around in this.
And we've had to put Noah's cot in the living room, haven't we?
Yes, because it won't fit in this room or Mum's room.
What are you eating? Real gone.
Cock. This was our chalet 26. This was our chalet 268 in St Ives Holiday Village.
Well, what do you think about St Ives? Is it good?
What I think about St Ives is
The campsite now.
the entertainment is splendid.
What do you like about the holiday village, Noah? Do you like the dancing at night time? Do you like doing dancing?
I dance.
You dance, yeah. What do you dance to?
We give this a thumbs up for St Ives Holiday Village.
Yay. Stephen, what do you think? Are you sat in the toilet right now? Noah, what you got there? What you got? You got a car? Okay, you got a car.
Come here.
Yeah.
Why?
What is it you want to do?
I'd like to have a look around them.
Speak, use your words now.
I can't remember what I'm going to call it actually.
Did you enjoy your woodland trail, Caitlin?
Yeah, even though we cut through and cheated in some places.
Thing is, it's getting dark though.